Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing good. Today's video I'm going to share with you how I make this mouth-watering apple cake that tasted super delicious. Alright guys, this cake tasted so good that you can enjoy with your tea, coffee, or whichever way you prefer. Okay, watch to the end and you will love this delicious recipe. Let's get started. Here are the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. Here we have apples, flour, sugar, butter, baking powder and salt, some eggs, vanilla extract,
it's always a solution, looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with
powdered milk. Now I'm going ahead to mix all the dry ingredients. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. We really appreciate. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing recipes. And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate. Once you are done mixing all the dry ingredients and you are sure that everything is well combined, set it aside. Now it's time to mix all the wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Okay, into a bowl, I added the butter. So the next is to go ahead and beat it using my hand mixer. You can as well use your blender, okay? Mix until it is light and fluffy.
I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. Mira's kitchen there for you.
At this point, you can see the butter is now light and fluffy. Let's go ahead and beat in the eggs one at a time.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you.
Once you are done adding in the eggs, add in the vanilla essence, then mix to combine. Now it's time to add in all the dry ingredients. Add it bit by bit and keep mixing until everything is well incorporated. At this point, everything is well mixed, okay? Now set it aside. Here we have our apples well cleaned, okay? Go ahead and peel, cut to your desirable size, okay, and shape as well.
Ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, It's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
Now the apple is ready, set aside. Next, it is time to grease the pan. So I'll be doing that by rubbing some butter and flour, okay? This helps to prevent the cake from sticking to the bottom of the pan.
So they bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place.
At this point, we are done with the pan. Go ahead and pour in some of the butter into the pan, okay? Once done, top it up with some apple, okay? It all depends on how you want to top the apples. You can add the apple and mix everything together before pouring it into the pan, or you can as well do it just the way you are seeing here on the screen, okay? Once I'm done topping it up, I added the rest of the butter on top, okay? Yeah, before I forget, okay guys, so before every okay, I preheated the oven to 350-degree Fahrenheit. All right, so once everything is done and settled, now go ahead and place in the oven and bake for about 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clear.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey. Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you.
1 hour later, our cake is out and ready. So allow to cool down for about 20 minutes, okay? And remove the cake from the pan just the way you are seeing here. All right, guys. So at this point, the cake has completely cool down. Can you see, guys? Can you see the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen? You cannot resist it. Oh, hey, it's time to serve the cake. This cake is so easy, simple, and very moist. You can as well decorate it if you want, okay? This particular recipe, we are not decorating this cake, okay? Feel free to check out the cakes recipe that we have on this channel. You will love them, honestly. For the decoration, that will be a video for another day. The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box below or comment section. Feel free, grab your popcorn, sit down, enjoy this amazing recipe. Okay, this cake tasted so super delicious. It's so moist, mouth-watering, tasted so good. Okay, hope you try out this recipe. If you do, let us know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in our next one, and remember, please, bye.